Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So today we're going to be opening up the Walmart beauty box for the fall season. So I'm really excited about this. You guys know how much I love these boxes. They're only $5. They come 4 times a year and you get all kinds of goodies for free. The shipping is $5. That's the only thing you're really paying for. And this thing is jam-packed full of really awesome samples. So I wanted to share with you guys what all was in here this time. Like I said, this one is the fall box, which is my favorite season. So let's dive in and see what we got. Alright, so with every one of these, there's always a little sheet of paper in there. This one says, embrace your beauty, rate and review this fall's box at walmart.com, and it tells the exact website on there. And then it also says you can enter to win a $100 gift card. So that's always awesome. The chance to win some Walmart money is awesome. So when you open it up, you just pull back the paper and this is what it is looking like inside. So let's see what all is in here. Alright, so we've got a Biore Charcoal, great for oily skin, micellar water. You guys know how I feel about the micellar water. I think it works really well. This one is actually charcoal though, and it says that it removes makeup, deep cleans pores, and refreshes. So, and it's also great for oily skin. I'm a combination person, so I'm typically oily like around here, but my nose and chin is so dry it's not even funny. So I'm really excited to try this out. Then we've got a little Cetaphil gentle cleansing bar right here. This actually says that it is for dry, sensitive skin. Again, I'm a combination girl, so this is going to be awesome for me. I want to see just what the bar looks like. I kind of like little bitty mini bars of soap. Oh, cute. So there it is. I think it's upside down. It's upside down. There's that. And it doesn't really have much of a smell. It smells good, I can tell you that, but it doesn't really have a really strong smell, which I also like. Then I think it was the last box or the box before that, but I got another pack of these Kleenex wet wipes. I really like these. These are like perfect for throwing in your purse, especially this little size right here, the little sample size. I kept these in my purse for quite a while last time because I don't need them all that often, but they are nice to keep on hand. So anything like this, as a mom or just as a person in general, if you're messy like me, keeping a pack of wet wipes in your purse is a great idea. Sometimes I'm really bad for not doing that, and I always regret it. Then I've got this little My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch by So AE. I feel like we get quite a bit of stuff from this brand. Seems like I get a mask in just about every one of these boxes. I love these lip masks. I think they feel amazing on your lips, and you can put them in the refrigerator even, and it's got this nice cooling effect to it, which I personally love. I've never used one from this brand, but I'm sure that it will be awesome. Then we have this Freeman's mask right here. It says it has cactus and cloudberry, whatever in the world that is, I'm not really sure, but it says it's for all skin types and it is a leave-on mask. It instantly refreshes and brightens for nourished skin. So this is a full-size product, and I know at Walmart a lot of times on their end caps they have masks that are like 2 for $5 or 2 for $6. I don't know if this is one of those masks. If you guys know, make sure to let me know, but this is inside of this box, so with all this other stuff, this is an awesome deal. And then there's these 2 little La Bella shampoo and conditioner packets, and there's definitely enough in here to do, you know, your whole head at least one time, maybe even twice, because it is full all the way up to there, and that's actually causing the package to kind of bulge out a little bit. So it is a very full packet. We're almost done. So there's this little Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Eyeliner. I love Maybelline's liners. I've not ever tried one that I didn't like. This one has got the little felt tip applicator, and it's a pen style, and it is very black. Very pretty. And then the last makeup product in here is the Maybelline Great Lash. So I haven't used this stuff in a couple of years. This used to be all I would buy when I was a teenager. This is what my mom always bought us. So that's going to be awesome to try out again, and I like that it's a little sample size just so you can throw it in your purse and keep it on the go. I was wrong, there is one more thing in here. So this is the Nivea Body Lotion Aloe Vera. This is just a little sample of it, but I feel like that's good for a pretty much a full body lotion, lather up if you will. If you are somebody who really likes lotion, I like the Nivea lotions. I have tried a couple of them before, and I do like them pretty well. I think they have a hand cream that I like a whole lot. So that's everything that was in here. They do also include like little papers about the products that are in here. Sometimes it's coupons for stuff. Sometimes it's just letting you know things about the products. Like these, they're just little papers letting you know. And then like I said, every time that you get one of these boxes, you have the chance to review the box, tell them how you feel about it, and you can be entered to win a $100 Walmart gift card. And who doesn't go to Walmart? You know what I'm saying? Like, why not fill out the survey and review or whatever and get your chance to win a $100 gift card? I know I wouldn't turn away a $100 gift card to Walmart, just saying. And for $5 you get all this stuff, and that's a lot of stuff. So that is going to be it for this one. Let me know if you guys get this box down below. I will leave a link in the description box if you are interested in signing up. I don't think there's a wait list or anything. There might be, I'm not sure. I've been getting it for about a year and a half now, so I can't really remember, but I will leave the link in the description box if you want to check it out, and if not, then that's fine too, but I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys!